Just let that completely relax. There you go. Even further, even further. Oh, there it is. Elbows a little closer. Wow. Yeah.
It feels good.
Yeah, instant relief, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jeez, I was begging for it. Wow. Here we go, your first crack of your life. Just let it go. Oh. What was that? Wow. Oh. That's a big one. That was a really good first adjustment. Wow. And then elbows together and lean back. Wow. There we go. Jeez.
Wait. Am I supposed to breathe?
You should breathe, yeah. I'm just gonna stretch your neck a little bit. Just relax. Oh my gosh.
He just made you an inch taller.
What was that? Was that real life?
Dude,
I'm done with you, Alex.
That was insane.
Fall. Oh yeah. Sink it. Good. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Ooh. Oh my God, who are you? What's happening right now?
Completely relax. We're going to go just like this. Is a very quick push right there. Oh, there you go. That's what it needed. Just let that shoulder relax. Oh, good. Boy. Oh. That was great. I haven't been called bro in a while. That was
I'm just gonna take you to the side. It's easy.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll get you good. Yeah.
Just a little bit down here and then. Oh, that got it good.
I feel like I can't move. Woo! Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Wow. Okay? You okay?
Uh-huh.
All right, let it go. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Relax. Oh, my. Ooh.
Oh my God.
The leg fall. There it is. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh, my.
No.
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 Wow.
Oh my.
And just let it all go. Very nice. Awesome.
All right, magic hug time here.
Okay.
There you go, just let it fall. Holy shit. Ooh. Gosh. Just sink it all the way down. Damn. Hold on. There's something in here. There it goes. You good? Jeez. That was beautiful. Wow, that was insane.
Do you feel a stretch in there? Kinda?
Mm-hmm.
Just relax. Just stretch it. Completely relax. There it goes.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Your whole neck exploded on that one.
I'm cracking already on that one. Wow. Relax. And just let it go.
Oh,
There we go. You ready?
for this?
No, but.
Okay.
Oh!
There you go. There you go.
But I felt good.
Okay.
Yeah. Holy. I heard that.
This way. Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I felt good.
Right out. Whoa. Oh my god. There you go.
Wow.
Right out.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my god. That has never ever happened to me. That was loud. Oh my god, that was like crazy.
And just let your drop.
Wow.
And just let it drop. It will fall.
It like echoes in my ears.
Awesome.
So much better.
Good.
I couldn't even do this. Oh, feeling so much better.